Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chachi, and for today's video I am really excited because we did finally receive the replacement for our Jeffree Star mini orgy palette. So this is the first one that they sent me. I ordered this one. I have my cheat sheet right here. I ordered this one September 1st and they sent out like the shipping confirmation on September 3rd. September 9th, they said that they will be replacing the mini orgy palette because there was something about that certain batch is no good and stuff like that. Then I did receive another email on November 10th that, you know, they're still working on it and blah blah blah. And then on January 6th of 2021, I received another email that they're gonna be sending me my package, my new palette, like 10 days. But unfortunately, basically Jeffree Star just got this on time because I was about to do like a video about this, because when they sent it to me on the 6th, January 6th, after that I never received an email, and based on that email, it will be shipped 10 days after that email. I will post the email somewhere right here in the screen, so for you guys to know. Not until on February 12th, I did receive an email of a shipping confirmation that the mini orgy has been shipped. My thing is, like, I do understand that with the coronavirus and stuff that happening, it's not gonna be that fast. But don't send out an email that you're gonna be shipping my new palette 10 days when it's actually not 10 days. Just almost took it like more than a month. This is the old one. I'm gonna set this one aside. Later in the video we will do a comparison about this one and the new one. So I already did my eyebrows off camera, did half of my face makeup, and we're gonna go in with this shadow right here. So it's still packed like this with their what do you call this, wrapping paper, with their sticker, and it's in a bubble wrap. So this palette right here retails for $28. It did launch like September of last year. I got this one the day it launched. Here is the old one and this is the new one. Basically there is no difference in packaging. It's still the same. We're gonna set this one aside. I don't want to get mixed. So they did release the big orgy and the mini orgy, which I do have both. This one is the all shimmer. The big orgy are all matte. So it comes out like this. New packaging. Not new packaging. Same packaging. It still have that nice mirror. So for today, we're gonna test this out. If there is a really big difference between the first one that they sent me and then the second one. So I really wanted to see this one, like this shade right here, which is glass wet. We're gonna go jump in and do our eyes makeup. If you're new here in my channel, hi, hello, I forgot to introduce myself. I just jump in. Hi, my name is Chachi. I'm your Filipina from Las Vegas. So for today's video, we're gonna go using this palette. So let's go ahead and just create a night. So as you can see, I have used the big orgy a couple of times, so it is been used. So I figure since we're testing this one out, I'm gonna go in with mattes with the big orgy. Just to set my lids, I'm gonna go in with this white shade right here. I don't know if it's gonna pick up because it's too bright. This white shade right here on top, it is I'm Shy. So just picking it up with a more Makeup Shack T12 brush, we're gonna place it on our lids, all over our lids. So for our transition, I'm gonna go in this shade right here. Sorry. I'm gonna go in this shade right here for our transition, which is Cunning Links. Making sure tapping your brush. So I'm gonna go a little bit higher than usual. Just putting that shade all over our lid. I'm gonna zoom you guys a little bit in. So I did zoom you guys a little bit so you can just actually see the shadow that we're working on right now. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is Bobby Trap. And I'm gonna be using a Morphe M573 brush. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of setting powder right here for the shade, and then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is Money Shot, and placing it in our outer V. And then when there is like super less product in the brush, I'm gonna take it all the way halfway. So just trying to deepen up our outer and going back in with the same brush, the Morphe M573 brush with no product, just to blend out the edges. So at this point, I'm gonna go in with the new eyeshadow palette, the Morphe Mini Orgy. So we're gonna test this one out if there's a change from the first formula that they sent me. So I do really want to test this. I do really want to test this one out right here. Now I'm gonna be swatching this one right here, the glass wet, because I'm really hoping that it has an improved formula. So I really think that this one right here is just gonna be like a shadow topper, because I don't see that much of a difference. So with this look, I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna go in this shade right here and this shade right here. I'm gonna put this one right about in the center of our crease and this one in the inner corner. So first, I'm gonna be using it with a dry brush and slowly packing it in our lids. Going in with this shade right here, gagging, and we're gonna be placing it in the inner corner right here. And I'm gonna take the glass wet, the shade that I really wanted to work, and place it right where the line is, where the two shades meet. Yeah, I don't actually see that this shade is actually doing something on my lids, and it does has a lot of fallout, just to give you a heads up. Yeah, it does not do anything. So I'm just gonna try to clean this one up right here. Yeah, totally makes no difference adding it. So I'm just gonna reinfuse that color again, since that one did not do anything. So using the same brush, this is again the Morphe 573 brush, and I'm gonna go in with the cunning link, and we're gonna connect our upper and lower eye. And with the Morphe E36 brush, going back in with Money Grab, and I'm also going to use this shade Gagging for our inner corner and our brow bone highlight. See, it does not even pick up that much as well. I am like really digging my brush. Let me try to wet the brush. I'm trying to make this thing work. So it's just giving me a really subtle shimmer right there. You can just see like specks of shimmer. Let me try use this one, and that is champagne drip. There you go. That is much better. So I'm gonna also put those two shades, mix those two shades together for our inner corner right here. Oh, that irritated my eye. Oh, ow. So I would say just be careful, because some of the shadow went to my eye, and it's like it hurt. It's like it's hurting my eye right now, but we're not gonna stop. So here you go, guys. This is our finished eye look for today. I'm just gonna go put some falsy liner, and I'm gonna do my whole face of makeup, and then I'll be right back to show you and give you my thoughts about this one. We also gonna do some swatch comparison with those between the first palette that they sent me and the second one. So I will be right back. Okay, so we are going to do a comparison of the swatch between the two eyeshadow. So first we are gonna go in with Glass Wet. So this one is the new palette that they sent, and this shade, this one is the old one. Basically it is not even showing, like it's just like specks of glitter. There is no difference, and we are using my daughter's hand. And second one will be Champagne Drip. This is the new one, this is the second one. So basically no difference at all. So this one is Gagging and this one is the old one. So there is no difference between, like we already swatched two shades, and there is no difference between this one and that one, even on the second shade that we did swatch. So gonna go in with Soaking Sand. There is no difference at all. And this one is Frozen Fire, from the new palette, from the old palette. Totally no difference. And this is the shade Bathhouse from the new palette, and this one is the old palette. Basically Again, no difference. And we're gonna go in with the explicit. That's the new one. That's the old one. This one you can see a little bit of difference. This show up on her skin. This one is like nothing. We're gonna try to go in with another coat. Yeah, it's not actually showing on that one. So as of right now, we swatch 7 shade, and this one is the only one that has like a difference between the two. And we're gonna go in with the foam party from the second shadow that they sent and in original palette. Just a slight difference. And if we try to build this up, yeah, this one has a slight difference as well. And for the last shade, Eiffel Tower, the new palette, it comes out really patchy, which I can remember the first one comes out patchy as well. So here you go. Basically, I don't see any difference from the first eyeshadow palette that we received to the second eyeshadow palette from the replacement palette that they gave us. So I don't know what they're talking about. So here you go, guys. This is my finished look for today using the new mini Orgy palette. Like, this is the second palette, the replacement palette that they sent us. So basically, we did use it in our eyes, we did swatch it, and unfortunately, this is just my opinion, that I don't see that much difference between the two. Basically, it's just the same for me, especially the shade that I was really hoping that will work out, because I like this shade. I would like this shade, but unfortunately, it does not make a big of a difference comparing from the old one. So I'm sorry, I would not recommend the Jeffree Star Mini Orgy palette, because it's basically just the same from the first one. So it is what it is. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified on all of my future uploads. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.